Introducing the M18 Brushless 1-inch SDS Plus D-handle rotary hammer. The M18 Brushless 1-inch SDS Plus D-handle rotary hammer delivers corded power and more productivity without the hassle of cords on the job site. The inline D-handle design allows access in tight spaces and provides superior balance and ergonomics for downward drilling, while its brushless motor produces 1.95 foot-pounds of impact energy, 1,270 RPM, and 4,580 BPM. This power translates to drilling 3/8-inch holes faster than corded D-handle rotary hammers on the market today, while providing long-lasting life. The M18 Brushless 1-inch SDS Plus D-handle can complete 100 of these holes when paired with the M18 REDLITHIUM XC5.0 battery pack. Experience maximum all-day comfort with Milwaukee's AVS Anti-Vibration System that minimizes vibration and repetitive drilling. The lightweight design of the rotary hammer weighs in at 5.3 pounds, further reducing the fatigue felt throughout the workday. Pair this new D-handle rotary hammer with Milwaukee's M12 HAMMERVAC Universal Dust Extractor for onboard OSHA Table 1 compliance. The M18 Brushless 1-inch SDS Plus D-handle rotary hammer is part of the M18 System, featuring over 250 plus job site solutions on a single battery platform.